Looking for the hottest fashions and the latest trends? Then Stay Fresh Fashion Boutique is where you need to be. We have everything from clothes, shoes, purses, and accessories. You want to be sexy, unique, fashionable, all at the same time? Then Stay Fresh Fashion Boutique is where you would like to be. We have a large variety of footwear, everything from flats, stilettos, to wedge heels. Looking for a purse to match your shoes? You want to be a cut above the rest, but look better than the best? Then Stay Fresh Fashion Boutique is where you need to be. You want to add a little glitter to your glam? Then stop by Stay Fresh Fashion Boutique. We have a large variety of accessories. Yes, this is where you would want to be. Stay Fresh Fashion Boutique, 2600 Hammondville Road, Pompano Beach, Florida. Our hours of operations are 11 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. daily, Monday through Saturday. Sundays, we're open 12 o'clock p.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. Remember to follow us on Twitter at StayFresh954 and to like us on Facebook at Stay Fresh Fashion Boutique. And remember, at Stay Fresh Fashion Boutique, we don't just talk about fashion, we create it.